Hey everyone, this is Fabri. In this video, I'm going to share with you my latest project, which is a KNIME workflow. I work with customers and logistics data, but the most important thing of this project is that I use an algorithm that is called K-Means. And thanks to this algorithm, I can understand different types of customers and how they impact this business. So let's go into it. Okay, first I load customers data here and logistics data. But you can make decisions if your data is fragmented. So I use this node, that is the joiner node, and I related these two data sources using customer ID column. So here is the complete view of the dataset. I'm sure that most of you may know that every data project has this exploratory data analysis phase. So in this component, I do exactly that, as you can see here, but I use histograms, box plots, and charts because this helps me to understand distributions, detect outliers, and see patterns early. K-means work with distances, and distances only work with numbers. So here you can see in this node that is column filter that I only select numerical values in the dataset. Then I normalize the data. Why? Because without it, variables like shipping costs will dominate everything. Normalization puts all features on the same scale, so every variable matters equally, okay? So as you can see here, we are working with flow data types and everything is on the same scale. Then I apply K-means clustering. K-means clustering just groups customers based on similarity, okay? In simple terms, customers that behave similarly end up in the same group, okay? K-means do that using the distance between them, between each point or each customer. This is where the analysis becomes really interesting. And using the parallel coordinates plot, which is the graph that you're seeing right now, I can compare how each customer behaves across all variables, okay? For example, cluster 0 shows higher average order value, which suggests high valuable customers. Cluster 1 has higher shipping costs, indicating customers that are more expensive to serve. And cluster 2 shows higher monthly orders but lower order value, which represents frequent but lower value customers. This visualization allows me to move from raw clusters to meaningful business segments. So at the end of the day, this is what matters, okay? Because we started with raw data that doesn't mean anything, and we ended this video with clear customer segments. That's the difference between just analyzing data and creating impact. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.